Two small guitar amps, two very different ideas. Which one should you buy? Today we're looking at the JBL BandBox Solo versus Positive Grid Spark Go. Right off the bat, the price gap is huge. The Spark Go is around $129. The BandBox Solo is almost $250. So the JBL costs nearly twice as much. That matters. But does it give you twice the value? Let's find out. Both amps are tiny and easy to carry around. The Spark Go is almost the size of your phone. Honestly, crazy small. You can clip it to your guitar strap. The BandBox Solo is a bit bigger, but still fits in your bags no problem. Both run on battery. The Spark Go lasts up to 8 hours. The BandBox Solo gives you around 6 hours. The Spark Go pushes out 5 watts through a 2-inch speaker. Reviewers say it sounds surprisingly loud and full for something that small. The BandBox Solo hits 18 watts through a bigger driver, and you can really hear the difference. The JBL sounds fuller, clearer, and way louder. If sound quality matters most, the BandBox wins here easily. The Spark Go connects to the Spark app, giving you 33 amp models, 43 effects, and over 50,000 community presets. There's also Smart Jam. It builds a backing band that matches your playing. Really cool. The BandBox Solo has a trick that Spark Go just can't match. AI stem separation. You stream any song and it splits out the guitar, vocals, or drums in real time. Want to mute the guitar and play the part yourself? Done. This is genuinely great for learning songs fast. Both have tuners, metronomes, Bluetooth, and headphone outs. Here's the bottom line. If you want the cheapest, most portable option, Spark Go wins. If you want better sound and that killer AI song learning tool, BandBox Solo is worth the extra money. Both are brilliant little amps. It just depends on your budget. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.